National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor up to mid-lake until 3:30 a.m. At 1:59 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots from 15 nautical miles northwest of Winthrop Harbor to 25 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois around 2:30 a.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.